Question is, which of the following security related actions are available at no cost? Options are option A, calling AWS support, option B, contacting AWS professional services to request a workshop, option C, accessing forums, blogs, and white papers, option D, attending AWS classes at a local university. Correct answer is option C, accessing forums, blogs, and white papers. Next question is, which of the reserved instance RI pricing models can change the attributes of the RI as long as the exchange results in the creation of RIs of equal or greater value? Option A, dedicated RIs. Option B, scheduled RIs. Option C, convertible RIs. Option D, standard RIs. Correct answer is option C, convertible RIs. Next question. Which AWS feature will reduce the customer's total cost of ownership TCO? Option A, shared responsibility security model. Option B, single tenancy. Option C, elastic computing. Option D, encryption. Correct answer is option C, elastic computing. Next question. Which of the following services will automatically scale with an expected increase in the web traffic? Option A, AWS code pipeline. Option B, elastic load balancing. Option C, Amazon EBS. Option D, AWS Direct Connect. Correct answer is option B, elastic load balancing. Next question. Where are AWS compliance documents such as an SOC1 report located? Option A, Amazon Inspector. Option B, AWS Cloud Trail. Option C, AWS Artifact. Option D, AWS Certificate Manager. Correct answer is option C, AWS Artifact. Next question. Under the AWS shared responsibility model, which of the following activities are the customer's responsibility? Choose any two options. Option A, patching operating system components of Amazon Relational Database Server Amazon RDS. Option B, encrypting data on the client side. Option C, training the data center staff. Option D, configuring network access control lists, ACL. Option E, maintaining environmental controls within a data center. Correct answer is option B and option D, and these are encrypting data on the client side and configuring network access control lists, ACL. Next question. Which is a recommended pattern for designing a highly available architecture on AWS? Option A, ensure that components have low latency network connectivity. Option B, run enough Amazon EC2 instances to operate at peak load. Option C, ensure that the application is designed to accommodate failure of any single component. Option D, use a monolithic application that handles all operations. Correct answer is option C, ensure that the application is designed to accommodate failure of any single component. Next question is, according to best practices, how should an application be designed to run in the AWS cloud? Option A, use tightly coupled components. Option B, use loosely coupled components. Option C, use infrequent coupled components. Option D, use frequently coupled components. Correct answer is option B, use loosely coupled components. Next question is, AWS supports which of the following methods to add security to identity and access management IAM users? Choose any two options. And options are option A, implementing Amazon recognition. Option B, using AWS sealed protected resources. Option C, blocking access with security groups. Option D, using multi-factor authentication MFA. Option E, enforcing password strength and expiration. Correct answer is option D and option E, and these are using multi-factor authentication MFA and enforcing password strength and expiration. Next question is, which AWS services should be used for read-write of constantly changing data? Choose any two options. Options are option A, Amazon Glacier. Option B, Amazon RDS. Option C, AWS Snowball. Option D, Amazon Redshift. Option E, Amazon EFS. Correct answer is option A and option B, Amazon Glacier and Amazon RDS. Next question is, what is the advantages of the Amazon Relational Database Services Amazon RDS? Option A. It simplifies relational database administration tasks. Option B. It provides 99.9999% reliability and durability. Option C. It automatically scales database for loads. Option D. It enables users to dynamically adjust CPU and RAM resources. Correct answer is option A. It simplifies relational database administration tasks. Next question is, a customer needs to run a MySQL database that easily scales. Which AWS service should they use? Option A. Amazon Aurora. Option B. Amazon Redshift. Option C. Amazon DynamoDB. Option D. Amazon Elasticsearch. Correct answer is option A. Amazon Aurora. Next question is, which of the following components of the AWS global infrastructure consist of one or more discrete data centers interconnected through low latency links? Option A. Availability zone. Option B. Edge location. Option C. Region. Option D. Private networking. Correct answer is option A. Availability zone. Next question is, which of the following is shared control between the customer and AWS? Option A. Providing a key for Amazon S3 client-side encryption. Option B. Configuration of an Amazon EC2 instance. Option C. Environmental controls of physical AWS data centers. Option D. Awareness and training. Correct answer is option D. Awareness and training.